Hello beautiful people, and you're welcome back again to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this coconut cake. So come with me to my kitchen as we dive into the recipe. As you all know, I love making cake or dessert snacks for my kids. I prefer them eating homemade things rather than buying the stuff from the supermarket. When I can, I just prefer making it for them. So on this recipe today, I'm going to be showing you this simple, easy and quick recipe that you can make in your kitchen with the ingredients you already have in your fridge. So continue watching step by step as I show you how I make this sweet cake. Something I would like to tell you is this. Don't make the same mistake that I made, because that day I was just in a hurry to make this cake. So I didn't allow the butter to get to room temperature. As you can see, it was still cold, so it made my butter to be somehow not smooth. But because we're just gonna eat it that day, so I didn't really mind. So if you want your butter to be smooth and very, very smooth, make sure you use your butter. Your butter should be on a room temperature before using it to make your cake. It's very, very important. I mixed the eggs separately to avoid lumps inside so that it will mix properly with it. If you don't have this kind of mixer, you can just use any spatula of your choice. Use it to mix it. It will just still do fine in doing the mixing. Here I wanted to use the mixer to do everything, but I just decided to leave it aside and use the spatula to finish the mixing because it was a small cake and I didn't really need a mixer to do the mixing. I could do it with a spatula. Feel free to add the quantity, you increase it to your choice and the size of cake you want to make. Trust me, this cake was just for that afternoon and it went away like so. Every ingredient that I used is going to be listed in the description section below, or the quantity that I used in case you want to double it or triple it. So if you're new to my channel, you're very, very welcome. On this channel we do lots of recipes and I share you godly lifestyles. I share with you some of my hair routine tips, which will be coming up soon. And I'm also going to give in lots of encouragement and lots of empowerment to pastors' wives and mothers that lives abroad from home. And on this channel, a lot of simple recipes for your kids, home recipes, juice, and all homemade, because I always recommend homemade for families. So if this is your first time, you are welcome to Minister Jenny Alifa's channel. And if you live in Italy, on this channel as well, I'll also give informations and tips on things that happens in Italy depending on the season that we are. And you can feel free to ask me any question in the comment section, and you can also send me emails through you get my contact in the description section for any question at all. Just feel free to do so. And yes, our batter is ready and it's going into the oven to be baked. For my returning subscribers, you are welcome once again. I always appreciate you coming back to watch my channel, and please do like this video, like it and share it with your family, share it with your friends. And if you haven't clicked on the notification button yet, please do so, and so that you can get notified whenever I drop any video in the future. And do feel free to check every other of my recipes. I'll be dropping them, some of them in the description section, and some will be popping up at the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Until I see you in my next video, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye.